Hi everyone, welcome to our PodTalks English channel. I'm Anna, and today we'll explore how to present yourself in English.
Hi, Anna. I'm excited. Many learners feel nervous when introducing themselves, especially in interviews or presentations.
Exactly. So today we'll guide you through what to say, how to say it, and how to sound confident.
Anna, why is learning to present yourself so important?
Because first impressions matter. Whether it's a job interview, a class presentation, or meeting new people, your introduction sets the tone.
True. It's like your personal advertisement.
Right. You're showing your personality, confidence, and communication skills.
Let's start simple. A good self-presentation usually has 3 parts: introduction, background, and future goals.
So, who you are, what you've done, and what you want to do.
Exactly. It's clear and easy to follow.
Let's practice the first step, name and origin.
You can say, "Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia." Simple and polite.
Or, hello, I'm Ben, and I come from Cambodia.
Great. Use a friendly tone and smile when speaking.
Next, talk about your background, education, or experience.
Like, I graduated from the University of Phnom Penh with a degree in English.
Perfect. If you're working, say your job title or company.
How about hobbies?
Great question. Sharing hobbies makes you relatable.
In my free time, I enjoy reading, listening to podcasts, and traveling.
Excellent. Short, but personal. Now, let's describe your personality.
Like, I'm a friendly and hardworking person.
Yes, but give examples. Say, I'm hardworking. For example, I always finish my projects before the deadline.
Should we talk about our skills too?
Definitely. Mention soft and hard skills.
I have strong communication skills and basic computer knowledge.
Perfect balance. Not too long, but informative.
The last part, your goals.
Like, in the future, I'd like to become a teacher.
Exactly. Goals show motivation and direction.
Let's combine everything.
Sure. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia. I graduated with a degree in English education. I love helping students learn. I'm passionate, patient, and creative. In the future, I'd like to open my own language school.
That's a great example.
What mistakes do people make when presenting themselves?
Speaking too fast, using long sentences, or forgetting to smile.
Or memorizing a script word for word?
Exactly. Sound natural, not robotic. Body language is important, right?
Yes. Maintain eye contact, stand straight, and smile.
So body language helps show confidence.
Exactly.
Use a clear, friendly tone.
And avoid speaking too softly or too loudly.
Right. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself.
What if we have to present ourselves in class?
Keep it short, about 1 minute. Include name, major, and a fun fact.
Hi, I'm Ben, a sophomore in English education, and I love photography.
In interviews, focus on your skills and achievements.
I worked as an assistant teacher for 2 years, where I learned teamwork and leadership.
Excellent. Show what makes you valuable.
What if it's a professional event?
Use formal language. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna Smith. I'm an English language instructor specializing in communication skills.
Sounds confident and professional.
Online presentations are common now. Remember to check your camera, lighting, and background.
And look at the camera, not your screen.
Is self-presentation different in other cultures?
Yes. In Western cultures, people emphasize individuality. In Asian cultures, people may focus more on group or family background.
What if someone feels shy?
Practice positive self-talk. Say, I can do this. Smile and breathe deeply before speaking.
My name is Ben. I'm from...
Confident version. Hi, my name is Ben. I'm from Cambodia. See the difference?
Mention 1 or 2 achievements.
I received a scholarship from my studies.
That shows effort and success. Great addition.
Should I mention my family?
Only if it's relevant. For example, I come from a family of teachers, which inspired my passion for education.
Talking about your hometown adds flavor.
I grew up in Siem Reap, a beautiful city known for Angkor Wat.
Perfect cultural touch.
How do I make my introductions sound smooth?
Use connectors like also, in addition, or besides. Example, I'm from Phnom Penh. Besides studying, I enjoy volunteering.
Time yourself when practicing.
So I can make sure it's not too long or too short?
Exactly. Aim for about 1 minute for short intros and 2 to 3 minutes for formal ones.
How can we help friends improve their introductions?
Listen carefully and give positive feedback. Start with what they did well, then suggest one improvement.
Anna, I like your clear tone. Maybe you could slow down a bit.
That's excellent feedback. Polite and helpful.
Let's role play. I'll introduce myself, then you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna, an English coach who helps learners speak confidently.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ben, a student passionate about language learning.
Remember, be yourself, smile, and speak naturally.
Preparation builds confidence.
Exactly. The more you practice, the better you'll sound.
After practicing for a while, how do we know if we're improving?
Great question. Record yourself and compare it over time. Notice your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency.
So, self-recording helps track growth?
Exactly. It's like having your own progress diary in English.
Now let's talk about storytelling.
Storytelling? Like telling a story about yourself?
Yes. Instead of listing facts, share a short story that shows your experience.
When I was in high school, I helped organize a school event. It taught me teamwork.
Perfect. People remember stories more than facts. Can we use humor when introducing ourselves?
Yes, but gently. A small joke or fun fact makes you memorable.
Like, I love cooking, but I'm still learning how not to burn toast.
That's great. Friendly and natural.
Always adjust your introduction to the audience.
What do you mean?
For example, if you're speaking to students, keep it casual. For professionals, use formal language.
So one size doesn't fit all.
What about when meeting people at events?
Keep it short and confident. Hi, I'm Anna, an English coach who helps people communicate globally.
Like an elevator pitch.
Exactly. 30 seconds to make a good impression.
What if we present in a group?
Introduce yourself clearly, then your role. Example. Hi, I'm Ben, and I'll talk about the introduction part of our project.
That helps the audience follow easily. What if we make a mistake during our presentation?
Don't panic. Just smile and correct yourself.
Like, sorry, I meant 2022, not 2023.
Exactly. Staying calm shows confidence.
Let's talk about expressing emotion.
You mean sounding excited or passionate?
Yes, add energy when talking about things you love. For example, I'm really passionate about teaching children.
That makes your presentation more lively.
How do we end a self-presentation powerfully?
Summarize your key points and thank your audience.
Like, that's a bit about me. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with you all.
Exactly. Confident and polite.
We've covered a lot today, from structure to confidence to storytelling.
Yes, and I feel much more ready to introduce myself anywhere now.
To everyone listening, remember, your story matters. Practice, polish, and be proud of who you are.
Thanks for joining us.
Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.